Hello everyone and welcome to part 6 of my Boujie yarn, and I've got some from Denmark, from Italy and the UK. So shall we make a start? And so this is number 6, the last one. So the first one I show you is from Stephen and Penelope, which, as we all know, is Stephen West's shop in Denmark. And I bought this yarn and this yarn to make his brioche shawl. I've never done brioche before and I'm really excited to have a go at that, and I thought those colours would look really nice autumnal colours. You know, they're my favourite, guys. And this one is a yak singles, which is superwash merino, silk and yak, and this is baby Surrey alpaca in biscuit. And then of course I treated myself to Mominoki, which is silk, superwash, silk and Rami. And now I'm not sure what Rami is, but it is beautiful, and I bought 3 of those, and I think they will make a really nice ombre, because this yarn has got this colour in it, and I think it will be really nice kind of in going that way. So starting with this and ombre in it, and think that'll be a lovely shawl. And then I bought this Tibetan fibres, Tibetan clown from Mayak, and this is a sport weight, and this is 100% wool tulipano, and this is from Italy. I bought this from Italy, and I had planned to make a nice cardigan with this, and I just need to find the pattern for that. I know which I don't know the name of the pattern, but I know who's done the pattern, and I need to check the details on the video. MSC, and who's a UK podcaster. And then we've got Bluefin, love Bluefin, and these are another UK company, and these are based in Norfolk. So I've got all different shades of, I've got a mixture of DK, finger weight and lace. This is a beautiful lace weight, and this is a baby alpaca, silk and cashmere, and that will make a beautiful shawl. Again, I need to find a pattern for that. Again, sock yarn, that's leaf. You know, I love my autumnal colours, and the beautiful blues and really nice turquoise and creams. And then last but not least is beehive yarns. I absolutely love beehive yarns. I made the Radiate sweater with beehive yarns in the DK, and these are all sock yarns. I'm in her sock club, and they're all a combination. Look at that, isn't that just gorgeous? And these are all my sock yarn for the clubs and that. So I've got a nice selection of yarn from all over the world. The only place I've not got sock yarn from, or yarn, is from Australia and South Africa, and that is on my to-do list. And last but not least, I went to the East Anglia show, and this is made by the Lonely Knitter, the lovely Laura, who organised the East Anglia, and this was the yarn she made for the show. And this is a finger weight. This is a finger weight, so that'll make a nice cowl. And then of course a new dyer to me, the lovely Amy, who I met, Mamie and Florrie, and this is called the Ice Wind in Reykjavik. Again, another sock yarn. So guys, that is my Boujie yarn. I hope you've enjoyed this series. I really do. I've enjoyed sharing my yarn with you. As I said, lots of you have asked for me to share what I've got, and I hope the way I've done it has been informative for you all. Beautiful yarn. And I just wanted to recognise the dyers as well, guys. I mean, they put, let's face it, they put a lot of hard work into dyeing the yarns and selling them as well. So I just wanted to give a little shout out to the companies that I've bought the yarns from. That is it. That's it from me for my my Boujie yarn series. I hope you've enjoyed. If you have, please give a thumbs up. Even if you can't leave a comment, guys, a thumbs up helps with the algorithms on YouTube. And take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, be kind to you. And until the next video, bye bye for now.